So with the big battery, and you know that's going to start anything, connected to the bike, and with the key turned on, brake pedal depressed, the lights are working, but we got a no start, no crank, nothing. Okay, figured out what's wrong with it. Jumping these two sends power to the starter. The starter makes a loud click. I feel like it's engaging, but it doesn't have enough power to turn the motor. I took off the variator cover. This is where we have the CVT, right? So this flywheel is supposed to turn this belt, which gives power to the rear wheel, right? So I took out the spark plug. I cannot turn this flywheel at all by hand. I tried turning it left, right, which is telling me that from sitting, the motor is seized up, okay? So what I'm thinking, you know, it has to be sitting because it only has like 1,000 miles on it, right? So what I'm thinking, I'm trying to put some Marvel Mystery Oil in the spark plug hole. I'll put some in the crankcase. I'll let it sit. I'll try to turn this by hand and see if we can get this unseized.